Hey guys! Welcome back to News Motorbike. CF Moto is back at it. And this time, they're not playing around. Meet the 750Sr-S, the newest and boldest member of the SR family. Unveiled on July 26th at the Xiamen International Circuit, this isn't just another sport bike. It's a full-blown statement, a declaration that CF Moto is getting straight for the top of the middleweight class. At first glance, the 750Sr-S doesn't look like a typical production bike. It looks like something straight out of a MotoGP pit lane. Inspired by the high-octane world of Mecha racing, its front end is downright menacing. The hook-shaped DRLs resemble a predator's grin, while the aggressive bodywork screams speed. The massive front winglets aren't just for show. They've been tested to generate 3 kilograms of aerodynamic downforce, helping the bike stay glued to the asphalt when the speed climbs. Then there's the twin forced air intakes up front. 2 gaping inlets designed to shove cold air directly into the engine for maximum combustion and performance. Combine that with the futuristic body lines, and you've got a 2-wheeled missile dressed like a jet fighter. But it's not all about looks. Around the rear, you get a single-sided swing arm, giving the 750Sr-S that unmistakably premium silhouette, while also making maintenance a breeze. The quad exhaust system, yes, 4 pipes, features a dual-layer heat shield that not only looks sharp but keeps things cool under hard riding. And that partially enclosed rear wheel? It's not just a visual flex. It also helps improve airflow and reduce engine temps. Now let's talk performance. Under the fairing sits a 749 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine pumping out a healthy 110 horsepower and 80 newton-meters of torque, with a top speed that reportedly breaks the 230 km/h barrier. That puts it squarely among the fiercest sport bikes ever developed by a Chinese manufacturer. And thanks to CF Moto's MIT valve tech, throttle response is razor-sharp, and the soundtrack from that 4-pipe setup is nothing short of addictive. But this isn't just a straight-line rocket. The 750Sr-S comes packed with high-end components: adjustable KYB upside-down forks, a multi-link rear suspension with air leaf spring technology, and Brembo M 4.32 radial calipers up front that promise powerful and confident braking. When it comes to electronics, CF Moto didn't cut any corners. You've got a steering damper, a one-way quickshifter, cornering ABS, and traction control managed by a sophisticated 6-axis IMU. All your ride data and settings are neatly displayed on a crisp 6.2-inch smart TFT dash, giving you all the info you need at a glance, whether you're commuting or chasing lap times. Bottom line, CF Moto didn't just build another sport bike, they dropped a bomb in the middleweight segment. With aggressive styling, serious power, top-shelf hardware, and tech that rivals the big names, the 750Sr-S isn't here to blend in, it's here to take over. And from the way it looks, sounds, and rides, this bike is hungry.